Hi folks, Dr. Mary Warren here with Road Warrior Wellness and Wheels Up Wellness, and I am getting ready to do a little fall traveling, and I'm starting to think about the things that I'm going to be packing to keep myself healthy and well for my trip. One of those, of course, is my little handy dandy wipes that I always carry a small package of when I'm on board a plane so I can wipe down the tray table in front of me and my armrest and all the little knobs and buttons and things that I'm going to be touching, including the windows, because I'm a window seat kind of gal. So remember to do that when you're traveling. There's still a lot of cold and flu and COVID going around, so it's good to keep surfaces as clean as possible. Also, one of my little tricks when I travel is to take dark chocolate with me, and dark chocolate is a nice, easy way to have a yummy treat that is lower in sugar and lower in calories, and it'll keep us away from some of the other sweets and treats like baked goods and all kinds of cookies and things that we really could do without. Because one of the things we really want to focus on while we're traveling, especially in airports, in airplanes, is trying to keep ourselves out of a state of inflammation. We've been talking about this now for a number of weeks, so we always want to minimize or get rid of wheat, corn, soy, dairy, and sugar. That includes those cookies and sweet drinks and things, so try to go super clean with your drinks. I always travel with my own water bottle and refill it. In fact, a lot of times when I stop at one of those nice coffee shops for a cup of tea, I'll ask them to fill my water bottle for me, and they're happy to do it. Of course, there's always lots of bottled water available in airports everywhere. So stay hydrated. Flying, traveling always dehydrates us. Minimize that caffeine, and green tea is really quite energizing. Much lower caffeine, so it'll have less inflammatory effects on us and more antioxidant effects. And keep your meals simple and light. I always go for salads. If I do get some sort of sandwich, I always get rid of the top piece of bread, minimizing that wheat. So anyway, a couple thoughts for you, and I'll see you sometime after around the end of the month. I won't see you for a couple of weeks. I'll be traveling, and I'll probably bring you a video from SeaTac Airport when I come back through in a couple of weeks. So hope everyone is well and having a great fall, and stay healthy, Road Warriors. Bye for now.